Wondering if whiteboard videos are right for your content or message? Wonder no further. A whiteboard video can effectively address more topics than any other style of video. It can explain your business, share your vision, even train your team for the road ahead. Whether your info is exciting or not, Whiteboard is equipped with special strategies to engage your audience. But how? Well, at its core, Whiteboard video is the simple fusion of human speech and drawn images. It even plays well with other types of media, because whatever the look, whatever the content, we're sharing your story in the most effective way possible. And our videos are backed by the brain science of our unique scribology methodology to enhance engagement and streamline learning, facilitating deeper message retention than other high-quality video styles. Whiteboard videos offer everything you need and nothing you don't. And with that kind of efficiency, we can deliver more high-quality minutes faster for the same budget. And that's reason enough to make Whiteboard video part of any video strategy. So drop us a line to learn more about the shape-shifting, mind-bending, seems like magic but it's actually science of Whiteboard videos.